Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a quick update on the Bitcoin market as well today. So this market has broken through the major 90 area here. It has stepped on the bearish way, so because that was the very important level, and in fact it separates the two different scenarios, two different waves of action. So the major retracement should happen either sooner rather later, but in our suggestion, so if market was able to proceed high and hit the 1530 area, so be first scenario, and then starts the major retracement, or if it will break this support area, and retracement will start immediately. And it seems that this has happened. So currently nobody could exactly tell what the reason was for that drop, but many traders and analysts come to conclusion that this is kind of the disappointment of the recent backed starting trading. So if you remember in our monthly update for September 17th in the market, when the backed started to trade, we said currently all eyes will be on the trading process. If it will be increasing in volumes, if the institutional investors will come on the market and bring the huge liquidity, showing the demand for the cryptocurrency, that will be very supportive, and the hopes of the investors, the fans of the crypto market, will be rewarded. So it's really could get the another stage, the new era of the development. But if in turn it will be opposite reaction, and nobody will come to the market, and institutional investors will not be too hurry up with the starts trading and investing, that will be a disappointing moment. And it seems that this has happened because no other significant events has happened on the market, and collapse has happened really very soon after starting trading of the backed futures on the ICE exchange. The first trading volumes was really very small. So what we have currently, at the first collapse here, market has hit the daily oversold, and we said once it has happened last week that market probably will take some time, spend some few sessions in the sideways action. Some retracement should happen just on reaction on the oversold or too extended level, and we said even that market could retest these lows, but currently you can see that market looks really heavy. So after the first reaction, it shows the pullback and stands flat since then. But still on intraday charts we have patterns that suggest it's possible minor upward continuation stand is possible. Maybe market will not hit the 90 even area, but some more extended ABCD retracement on the intraday charts still could happen. Besides, guys, if you take a look at the daily chart accurately, we'll see that here actually we have minor reversal session. So take a look on this candle. You can see the market creates the new low but close above the top of the previous session. This is minor reversal session. Usually these kind of sessions have some continuation on the intraday charts, but in general overall context still stands bearish, and we treat this possible pullback as a chance to take the short position, because as we said, it's not good moment for taking the shorts right at the oversold. We need to see the pullback to get the better price, and we need to also get bearish continuation pattern in our back, and it will be, for example, garbage cheap to sell as usual. Potential target to the downside, as we said, is twofold. First is 72 even, because this is major weekly support, it's confidence support in the market, and 1618 of the butterfly, but potentially market could slip right to this area. So you can see this XOP, the major ABC top pattern, 64 even approximately. On the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have, our ABCD pattern has been completed as well. It's another pattern that stands inside on the butterfly on the daily chart. And take a look here, market is forming something that looks like the minor double bottom. And to keep it valid, so for this pattern, it's crucial that market should hold above the major support areas of this recent swing. So if market will start dropping lower back to the lows, it means that no pullback will happen, and market's preparing for breakout of the lows and downward continuation. So we do not consider currently taking any long position. So for us, the major purpose of this situation is to get a good level taking the short. But if you're trading on intraday charts, on the hourly chart and lower time frames, well, you could consider possible taking the long position as well for a possible upward pullback. For example, on the hourly chart, that's our kind of the double bottom. Market right now is forming kind of the A, B, C, D pattern lower. So this first support area, market hits the 30% level. Theoretically, until market holds above the 618, 80 even approximately, it keeps chance on the possible kind of the A, B, C, bottom, D pattern. As we said, based on the reversal candle on the daily. If market will break this level down and starts dropping lower back to these lows, it means that no retracement probably will happen and market will drop continued downward action. So that's potentially the pattern that you could keep an eye on. Here is mine, or godless triple to buy also could be formed. This A, B, C top pattern, OP will stand somewhere on this level. This is also minor reversal session has been formed, which has got continuation. So something of that sort we intend to get on the daily, maybe. If market will be strong enough to provide us another leg up here and give us kind of the godless triple to sell that. So that's approximately the current look on the Bitcoin market. Until market stands on above the major fib support levels, it keeps chance on minor pullback, but in general overall context stands bearish. And if you trade on the daily chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, you should ignore any bullish positions and just wait for a good level for taking short position. The bullish setup stands only for the intraday scalp traders.